I'm Dr. Malcolm Paul, and I'm director of the Facial Plastic Surgery Division of the European College of Aesthetic Medicine and Surgery. I want to invite you to learn from some courses that we're giving a full day of cadaver lab dissections for eyelids and brow and eyelid-related procedures. The next day would have been a full day of cadaver dissections, including all the current techniques used in facelifting. The cadaver courses give you a unique opportunity to have me be able to, under closed loop video, show you how I do the major procedures that I do around the eyelids, including upper and lower lid blepharoplasties, fat repositioning, and ancillary procedures to improve the appearance of the lids and the midface. And this is done with two doctors on the cadaver head, and I walk around and help you with each of these dissections. The FACEIF course is quite interesting in that we go through all the relevant procedures, including simple skin undermining with SMAS plication, lateral SMASectomy, or a sub-SMAS dissection. All these are delegated to the course attendees, and I go around and help you with all these dissections, including buccal fat pad removal. We also show brow lift techniques, an upper lip lift, which is very popular, and how I contour the neck. So what we're doing in Italy, we're going to have 2 days of cadaver dissection, because all the courses that used to be discussed in formal lectures are now in small bite-sized courses available over the internet as a prerequisite for joining the cadaver lab. Then we have live hands-on surgery, where we have patients who have agreed to have their surgery performed one side by me and one side by the course attendees. So you have the chance to actually do the procedures that we practice on the cadavers and we talk about in lectures. And you have a chance to do one side, and I will observe that surgery after I've done the opposite side. So I encourage you to sign up for not just the online courses, which would get you ready, but also the cadaver laboratory sessions, as well as the hands-on training. All this will be happening in October in Italy, and I welcome you to these courses. Thank you.